you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm actually about to do an really interesting upcycle. I'm trying to upcycle a skirt and a top and form them together to turn into something beautiful, hopefully. So stay tuned and we're gonna see how this turns out. Okay, so this is kind of my setup. Got my sewing machine over here. Little sewing box with miscellaneous things in here. This is also a kit that has full of bobbers and thread in there, and then I have some thread that I got from the thrift store. It's good to thrift thread too, you guys. You find all different kinds for different materials and whatnot. My trusty scissors I actually got from Joann Fabrics. They work really well. And I got my two items that I want to upcycle. I'm gonna lay them out for you so you can kind of see. Okay, so this is what the skirt looked like, and what I want to use on a skirt, I want to use this, just this black part, for like a trim type of material. I really like this material a lot. This skirt's just too small, and it's actually new. I got it from the thrift store. Just too small for me, and I really like the skirt, but I like the print too, and I have an idea for it. And this is an old shirt that I had got from Macy's, and I actually got, I think it was a coffee stain on here, and it just never came out. And this is a Calvin Klein shirt that has like beads up here. I think it's like missing like one bead. It's still in really good condition, but it has these black beads up here, and I think this would have been super cute if I was thinking about cropping this about, you know, mid-length, and then cutting about this much off and adding it to the bottom of the part that I cropped. So then like the black part would match this black bead up here. So we're gonna see how this turns out. It's either gonna be really good or it's gonna be a fail. So stay tuned. Set up your thread. You're gonna get the thread that matches the item that you're sewing. I got white because it's the closest color that I have to mine. And then get your bobby and put your bobby in there. And I also went ahead and cut my shirt. So I tried it on first to see where I want it, and then you want to cut it. Now you want to cut enough. Oh, sorry, somebody's calling. So you want always to cut more than less, because you always can, you know, cut off more. You can't really put on more. So I actually cut it a little bit more than where I put the pin at. And I'll also cut out the part from the skirt that I wanted, which is the bottom part, and as you can see, it's way more than enough fabric for me to work with, which is awesome, just in case, you know, anything mess up or anything, if I want to, you know, yeah. So let's just get to sewing and see how this turns out. We're back. So what I wanted to show you was where I was hemming. So now that you can see the hem, and then you can see the lace coming out, which is cool. I really like how this looks. And now this is back here when I was sewing like halfway through the hem. Yeah, I don't like that very much, but I'm not gonna go back and change it because that's doing too much work. I'm just gonna do the rest how I've been doing it, and yeah, you guys gonna see the final look, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for joining in on my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next upcycle, thrift, or just the next video, girl. Peace.